Welcome. In a previous video, I took a look at this EnGenius ECS1112FP 8-port gigabit switch. And this switch was provided to me by EnGenius, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful, I'll put a link in the description to this switch on Amazon. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So in this video, I'm going to go over the procedure for adding this to the EnGenius SkyKey network controller. So I'll put a link in the description to my EnGenius playlist where you can find my previous videos on this switch and other EnGenius products. So I have the EnGenius switch set up here in standalone mode, and I'm on the summary page, and I blurred out the information here, but the information you need to set this up on the SkyKey will be on this page. It's also on the bottom of the switch itself. So I'll go to my SkyKey web interface and I'll log in here. I'll go to this clipboard icon that says device inventory. I'll click on it. I'll click on add device. So here it wants the MAC address, the check code, and a description. So I'll copy and paste those over. They want a semicolon in between each field. So now I'll hit register. It says device registration successful. I'll hit OK. I'll click on my home icon here. I'll go over here to recent projects and I'll click on Rick Makes Mall. On the left side here we see device, access points, switches, and pending approval. I'll click on pending approval. We can see our switch here. I'll check that and I'll hit add. It says add device successfully. I'll hit OK. So now if I click on switches, we should see the switch here and it's going to say provisioning until it's ready to go. So I've noticed this doesn't always update. So you can click on access points and then click on switch and do that a couple times until it says online, and it looks like it's online now. So now I can click on device name here, and now we can configure the switch. So we can change the name, we can go to port settings here, we can go to power budget, it's at 130, we can go to PoE port settings, and here this is going to show us how many watts we're taking right now. So I have two PoE devices connected to it. Port 2 is a PoE camera and port 3 is an access point. So we can see the camera is taking 3.7 watts and the access point is taking 3.8 watts. So if you want to delve deeper into the configuration of the switch, you can click on LAN IP over here and that will take you to the web interface for the switch itself. And I was already logged in on this other tab, so it didn't ask for my username and password. So if we want to remove this, we can just hit this check mark here and then hit remove. It'll say please wait. It says remove device successful. I'll hit OK. And now the device is removed. If I refresh the page, I'll go back into that project. And we'll see that shows up under pending approval again, so we could re-add it. So that's how you can add the EnGenius ECS1112FP managed switch to the EnGenius SkyKey network controller. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.